So what should you never include in a pre-listing packet? Well, first of all, fearless agents almost never use them, but a lot of people use a pre-listing package. What you should never include is any talk about price, any CMA information, any information about the market could only hurt your cause, or any marketing promises. So if you want to do all the other stuff about you, maybe that's okay. But I have noticed this, the fearless agents that I coach that earn the most money do the least marketing. And the fearless agents that I coach that talk the most about marketing earn the least money. So the less marketing you do and the more prospecting you do probably would be better. But if you're going to do a pre-listing package, don't make the mistake of talking price before they're sold on listing their house with you tonight. So remember the fearless agent steps to success. Never talk commission until they're sold on the price. Never talk price till they're sold on you and listing their house with you tonight. And never talk about you and your company until they're sold on the idea of using an agent, as if they're a for sale by owner. You would sell them on that first. So once you sell the for sale by owner on using an agent, using the for sale by owner presentation, only then would you ever mention you in your listing presentation and how you do that. Then when they're sold on listing with you tonight, only then would you ever talk price. So obviously you're not going to put pricing information in your pre-listing package. Hope that helps you. By the way, if you're earning less selling real estate than you wish you were, and you're open to the idea of having some help with that, please give us a call. You can call me anytime, 480-385-8810. Go to fearlessagent.com, watch all our videos, take the free test drive, and we'll make you a fearless agent. Thanks.